Hey everyone, we're going to evaluate the given integral, and we have two cases. The first case we're going to use is the case if A does not equal B. So in that case, we're going to set it up with partial fraction decomposition and clear the fractions here. And basically, if you multiply by your least common denominator, this will go away, and then you just kind of cross this up here because that will cancel out. So you're going to have A times X plus B times X plus A. Now what we can do is set, since A can't be B, let's let X equal negative B. Or let's try negative A first. If we do negative A, this is going to zero out the B part, and we get 1 equals A times, let's just put B minus A. So that's negative A. So A equals 1 divided by B minus A. Now, let's let X equal negative B. That's let. All right, if you let negative B, it's going to zero out this A. You get 1 equals B times A minus B. So what I have is, if you substitute these back in, your A is 1 divided by B minus A plus, solve for B. This is going to be, B is going to equal 1 divided by A minus B. You just divide both sides. So this would be 1 divided by A minus B. And this is over X plus A and X plus B. Now, it's still kind of messy looking. So what I want to do is make this one look like this one and factor it out. So I can do that if I multiply the numerator and the denominator both by negative 1. I'm going to get negative 1 divided by B minus A. So now they're the same, but this is going to change to negative. So my integral is going to actually be 1. I'm going to pull out the 1 divided by B minus A times 1 divided by X plus A plus 1 divided by X plus B. So that's basically how you would write it, and then you got dx. So when you evaluate this, you're going to get 1. Remember, B and A are constants, so 1 divided by B minus A, and you're going to have ln of X plus A minus ln of X plus B. And then your plus your C. And simplifying this, let's write that as a single log. That's going to be ln of absolute value of X plus A divided by absolute value of X plus B plus C. Now the other case we have to consider is if A equals B. So this would be case 2. So for case 2, if X equals B, then our integral changes from 1 divided by X plus A times 1 divided by X plus A. And that's just going to equal the integral dx here. Dx divided by X plus A squared. Now, to evaluate that, I'm going to go ahead and write this as X plus A to the negative 2 dx. So all you do is you're going to add 1, and that's going to be negative 1. So we're going to have x plus a to the negative 1 power, and also divide by negative 1, and then plus c. And that simply is negative 1 divided by x plus a plus c. So those are your two cases, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.